Sharp has pretty much joined up with Sony and Samsung to adopt the quantum dot OLED technology. They've released their first ever quantum dot OLED TV. They're calling this model the FS1. They also released an OLED TV, a regular standard OLED TV called the FQ1. Now, these two models will launch in Japan in mid-August to September. You just have to be very patient before you be able to get your hands on this kind of TV. The thing here is that you are not going to know yet when it will be available in other countries for now. Like I can't find anywhere that they've stated that it will be released in other countries. So you just have to be very patient. The TV in general, especially the FS1, has everything you can expect from a top level quantum dot OLED TV, especially when you are comparing it against the Sony A95K, the Samsung S95C model. Like this new FS1 comes with multiple HDMI 2.1 ports. You still get variable refresh rate, you get Wi-Fi 6, you get Dolby Vision, you get HDR10 plus, you get you get Dolby Atmos support. So it's very good. I'll even say it's even more versatile than the other two brands list. It offers you much, and you're getting Google TV with it as well. So it's very good. You're getting Google TV. You get two sizes, 55 and 65 inches. 55 and 65 inches, which is good. Even the FQ1 comes in that size as well. So look, if more details for it does pop out, be rest assured that I'm going to cover it and bring you guys more information about it. But for now, be rest certain that this is the news that is out for now. There is no price detail. There is no availability in other countries just yet. You just have to be very patient, very patient. But more news details will obviously be out very soon. If you guys enjoyed this report, then go ahead, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, like our content. I'll see you guys very much next time.